Hi, this is Jason from Jack's Car Wash. Today I'm going to show you what cross grading is all about. If you have one of our three plans that have the interior add-on, you can always choose on any given day to skip the interior cleaning if you don't have time or if you just don't need it, and go through exterior only. So let's talk about how that works. So if you have the Basic Plus with the interior add-on, the $39.99 per month plan, anytime you want, you can go through exterior only and skip the interior, and you get a free upgrade to the Simoniz Hot Wax and Shine, the Tire Shine, and the Rain-X. That's the almost everything package. So it's the next package up. If you have the $47.99 plan, you're already getting the Hot Wax and Shine, Tire Shine, and Rain-X, so you would get a free upgrade to the Everything package with the Simoniz Ceramic Sealant, which is the best protection we offer for an online service. And if you already have the Everything plan, you're already getting everything we have, but you're welcome to go through exterior only and skip the interior cleaning if you don't have time. So this is a great value, either of these plans, whatever works best for you. Now, if you only have the exterior plan, you can add the interior cleaning on for just $16 on any visit. Or you can upgrade to the next higher package to get the additional services, such as the ceramic, for the price difference less your 25% discount for being a club member. Keep in mind, anytime you want to make any changes to your account or if you have any questions, you can visit our website and you'll see this help button here on the bottom right. Or from the menu, you can go to Unlimited Club and submit a question and ask us the question. And there's also an Unlimited Club login option right here or right here at the top. And you click that and you log into your account to make any changes, see your billing history, etc. Thank you so much for being a member. We really appreciate it.